Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swati from Neuroots Bangalore. So welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss about a topic that resonates with everyone. So how to prevent hair thinning post 30, or how to prevent, what measures to be taken to prevent the thinning of hair as we reach or if we have crossed 30 years old. Hair thinning can occur because of a lot of reasons. One could be because of the genetics or the stress or the nutritional deficiency or the morphological changes in the hair shaft. But with the right approach, and if we identify at the right time, we can improve the health and the vitality of the hair. So what is happening when we cross 30? What changes are occurring in the hair shaft or the hair? So basically there is reduction in your anagen phase. The growing phase gets shorter and shorter, and also there is reduction in the keratin production. So that is when the hair starts looking finer or thinner. And also once women hit 30, the estrogen level drops in the woman's body. So that is when there is decreased secretion in the estrogen, which is again responsible for your good hair growth. Also during that time, there are changes in the scalp pH levels. Also during that period, there are changes in your scalp health. There is reduced sebum secretion. Also there is a poor circulation, and your lifestyle and stress will add on to all of these things, and that is when you'll slowly start noticing the hair is getting finer and thinner. So coming to the treatment modalities, first and the foremost, we need to identify what the root cause could be. If there are dietary changes, we need to make sure enough of protein or foods that are rich in zinc or selenium or omega have been incorporated in your diet. Sometimes what happens is when we try and take in our diet, it's not completely replaceable. So that is when we would suggest our patients to continue with the supplements like omega or iron or zinc or magnesium. Beyond diet and supplementation, there are other hair treatment modalities that can address hair thinning. So coming to the treatment modalities, first one would be application of the topical minoxidil, or going for PRP sessions, or taking an DHT blocker, especially in men, and low-level laser therapy. The red light also increases the growing phase, and GFC or eventually hair transplant surgery. So hair thinning is pretty common, but with the right consultation or right approach, we can always identify in the early stages and it can be taken care of. If you found this video helpful, or if you need to know more about your hair health, kindly follow us. Thank you.